Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth gadget reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of docking stations and exploring the Plugable dual HDMI docking station. Stick around to see if this dock lives up to its promise. First things first, let's talk design. The Plugable UD-4VPD boasts an anodized aluminum-silver chassis with sleek black aluminum face and back plates. The rounded corners add a touch of modernity to its otherwise boxy appearance, making it a sleek addition to any desk. The build quality is top-notch, and the 3.15-pound heft exudes durability. Plus, those grippy rubber feet keep it firmly in place. Measuring 9.17 by 5.71 by 3.31 inches, this dock strikes the right balance between size and functionality. Its elongated frame ensures ample spacing between ports for easy cable management. The rear-facing host port is a thoughtful addition, eliminating the hassle of stray cables cluttering your workspace. Now, let's dive into the ports. The UD-4VPD offers an impressive array of 11 ports, 10 once the USB 4 host connection is established. From USB Type-C and Type-A ports to micro SD and SD card readers, it covers a broad spectrum of connectivity needs. Plus, it's equipped with two HDMI 2.1 display outputs, supporting two 4K displays at 120Hz or one 8K display at 60Hz. Performance-wise, this dock shines. It's a reliable companion for your devices, especially those with USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4 compatibility. With 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds and a 170W power supply, it's ready to tackle data-intensive tasks. The display capabilities are impressive, making it ideal for creative work or gaming. Like any product, the Plugable UD-4VPD has its pros and cons. The generous port selection and excellent data speeds are definite highlights, especially considering its price point of around $200. However, the limited port selection might be a drawback for heavy peripheral users or professionals needing specialized accessories. In real-life usage, the UD-4VPD excels as a reliable companion for various setups. Whether you're editing videos, photos, or engaging in gaming, this docking station delivers. The front-facing micro SD and SD card readers provide quick access to media files, while the 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port ensures smooth online gaming experiences. Speaking of gaming, the UD-4VPD is no slouch in that department. It offers crisp 4K visuals at 120Hz, delivering a seamless gaming experience. While its appearance might not be the flashiest, it blends well in a business environment. However, if you're going for a more vibrant setup, it might seem a bit plain. To gain deeper insights, I reached out to Bernie Thompson, the founder and CTO of Plugable. He highlighted the docking station's prowess in display capabilities, catering to creative and gaming audiences with high resolutions and refresh rates. Wrapping it up, the Plugable dual HDMI docking station UD-4VPD is a versatile option, offering solid performance and impressive display capabilities. For more streamlined setups, it's a fantastic choice, providing the core experience with a touch of excellence. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more comprehensive tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, your feedback helps us bring you the best insights. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech savvy.